everyone. Bill here from TechTalk with Bill. I'm a ServiceNow MVP, also a certified technical architect, and I have passed the CIS or Certified Implementation Specialist 7 times. And I'm also a Harvard certified in strategy execution. If you ever look at ServiceNow and thought that this looks like a great career move, and you have no idea where to start, and this video is for you. Because I just built something I wish I had when I started, a complete hands-on ServiceNow System Administrator course. This will take you from a total beginner to a job ready and certification ready. The entire course is free. This is the exact path I gave someone sitting next to me who wanted to do what I do. So let me show you exactly what's inside and how you can start today. Here's the problem with learning ServiceNow on your own. The official docs are huge and written for people who already know their platform. The YouTube tutorials are scattered, a video here, a video there, in a no real order, and you get invited to a paid boot camps. They can run you hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars. So most people watch a few random videos. You will get overwhelmed and even quit before you ever build anything real. And the thing is that I would like to point out, ServiceNow is a skill you learn by doing, not only by watching. You need a clear path in the right order, where you build every single thing yourself. And that's exactly what I have created. This is ServiceNow System Administrator, 0 to Certified. I structured it in 8 modules and 44 hands-on video lessons hosted in a clean, easy-to-follow Gitbook site. Every lesson is a short video where I'll walk you through a real task step by step. And here's the important part. You build everything yourself in the free ServiceNow personal developer instance. You own real ServiceNow environment that costs you nothing. No prior experience needed and no software to buy. Just you, a browser, and a clear path from lesson 1 to certified. Now, who is this for? If you're an absolute beginner trying to break into ServiceNow, I built this for you. And if you're already in IT, a support tech, an analyst, a developer, and you want to move into the ServiceNow ecosystem, where the salaries are strong and the demand is high, this gives you the platform fundamentals fast. And if you're specifically preparing for the CSA exam or the Certified System Administrator, this course covers the core competencies, the areas the exam tests you want. It is a beginner to job ready, and that will be your journey. Let me walk you through the roadmap, because the order is the whole point. The first module, you get to set up your own developer instance. Then you're ready to go. The second is user groups, roles, and access control. I will give you the foundation to security. The third module is platform UI, navigations, lists, and forms. The fourth module is data foundations, like tables, modules, importing data to ServiceNow, managing a self-service experience people actually use. Now, the sixth module is automation, flow designer, business rules, notifications. This is where it gets powerful. Now, the seventh module is reporting and ITSM, dashboards, SLAs, and the core like incident, problem, and change management. The eighth module is you put it all together and build your own custom application end to end. Each module builds on the last. By the end, you haven't just watched, you build a working portfolio of skills. I want to be really clear about this course works because it is different. This is not a sit back and watch course. Every lesson, I want you in your own instance doing the task alongside me. Pause the video, do the step, and unpause. That's how the skill actually sticks. When you finish, you won't just know about ServiceNow, You'll have done it with your own hands, creating users, building tables, designing flows, and shipping it into an app. That's the difference between someone who passes an interview and someone who freezes inside of it. Now, let me say this plainly, because people don't believe on it at first. All 44 lessons are free. The whole course, 8 modules from start to finish. You don't need to credit card to start learning. Just open the Gitbook and go. Why free? Because I came up through this community and I want more good administrators inside ServiceNow. The best way I know to do is to lower the barrier to zero. So no excuses here. The path is laid out. It is in order and it costs nothing to begin. Here's what takes this beyond a normal free course. At the end, there's a final exam. And it's not multiple choice. It's a 5 short hands-on video that challenges you. You record yourself in your own instance, actually performing real admin tasks, 5 minutes each, and narrating as you go. Then I personally review your videos against a personal rubric and send you written feedback on exactly what you did well and where to sharpen up. And this is the real test. Anyone can click through a quiz, recording yourself doing the work and getting expert feedback on it. That's how you prove that you are ready. Pass all 5 exams and you earn a branded certificate of completion from TechTalk with Bill. It's something real you can put on your LinkedIn, bring into interviews, and show employees that you didn't just watch videos. You demonstrated the skills, hands-on, and had them reviewed by an MVP. The personal review and the certificate are part of the channel membership. That's how I'm able to give you every submission is real, individual attention, but the learning is 44 lessons. All that is completely free. Now, a quick word on why you can trust this path. Like I said up front, I'm a ServiceNow MVP, a certified instructor, a certified technical architect, 7-time CIS certified, and Harvard certified in strategy execution. But credentials only matter because of what's behind them. I've implemented this platform in real world, in banking, in enterprise portfolio management, in complex environments where it has to actually work. This isn't theory, it's the exact path I give someone sitting next to me who wanted to do what I do best. So here's how you start right now. Head to the Gitbook course. The link is in the description below. Start with Module 1. Set up your free instance and begin. Go in order, do every exercise live, and when you're ready, prove it and take the final exam. That's it. A complete hands-on free path from zero to a certified ServiceNow administrator. The link to the full course is inside the description. I want you to start today, and if this is the kind of content you want more of, subscribe to TechTalk with Bill so you don't miss what's next. I'll see you inside the course, and let us build.